Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to answer to a question that has been asked on the ASKfm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application, and after that you should tap on this inbox button down below, and then click on the incoming section at the top, and here you can find all of the questions. So tap on the relevant one to which you would like to provide your answer. Tap on this box and then type in your answer. Here you can add these backgrounds to it. Below, as you can see, you have a bunch of options. You can upload pictures, you can attach or insert GIFs to it, and if you are done, just tap on this send button in the upper right corner of the screen. So the answer has been posted, as you can see, so it will be found at the home section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.